You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is negative x plus 1 over 3 times x greater than negative 4 over 3 greater than negative 11 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract 2x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 4 over 3 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is negative x plus 1 over 3 times x greater than negative 4 over 3 greater than negative 11 over 3.